Hello kids, let us see pop-up Peekaboo forest. In the forest, mice and squirrels are perched in an old oak tree. They are listening to a knocking sound. Can you guess who that might be? Knock, knock, knock. Who is making that sound? Let's see. Peekaboo, it's a chatty woodpecker. He knocks on the tree to talk to other woodpeckers. Among the forest plants, rabbits hop and insects fly, and a baby animal hides from view. I think she is very shy. Who is hiding among the flowers and fern? Let's see. Oh, Peekaboo, it's a gentle fawn. She feeds on plants and hides to stay safe. Interesting. On the leafy forest floor, bugs and spiders crawl around. Let's see who is quietly hiding here, waiting to be found. Who is hiding on the forest floor? Let's see. Peekaboo, it's a snail, a slug, and tiny ants. They creep among the damp leaves. Foxes dig in the forest. They make dens where they can stay. Let's take a look inside this den to see who is hidden away, who is safe in the den. Let's see. Who is there? Peekaboo, it's two sleepy fox cubs. They snuggle up to keep warm. When darkness falls in the forest, bats are busy catching insects to eat. And who else is awake in this pine tree? Can you guess who we might meet? Who is high up in the pine tree? Guess it. Who is there? Let's see. Oh, it's owl. Peekaboo, it's an owl family. Owls hunt at night and bring food to their chicks. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video.